Welcome to the world of Wolfbox. Meet the ultimate driving companion. Installation is a breeze. Strap it over your mirror for quick setup. Or choose one of our dedicated bracket mounts for that clean factory OEM look. Either way, you're ready to roll. For the mini dash cam, just peel and stick. Rear cam installation is a breeze. Crystal clear 4K even at night. Power it up. Swipe to set your time zone and language. Smooth as a smartphone. Connect to the Wolfbox app. Download footage or change settings right on your phone. First, tap the screen and head into settings. Find the Wi-Fi icon and switch it on. Your mirror is now broadcasting. You'll see the network name and password pop up right on the screen. Now grab your phone and open the Wolfbox app. Tap Add Device. Select the Wolfbox network in your phone's Wi-Fi settings and enter that password. Just like that, you're connected. You can now see the live feed right on your phone. From here, you can download footage or tweak your settings in seconds. To get the best shot, add the CPL filter. It cuts through harsh road glare and those annoying reflections from the car in front of you. Just a clear, cinematic view of the trail ahead. Protect your investment with our hardwire kit. It enables 24/7 parking monitoring, keeping an eye while you sleep. This film stops the sun from reflecting on your screen. Our license plate bracket means no drilling into your tailgate. A clean, professional look in minutes. Wolfbox uses industrial-grade, high-endurance SD cards, built to last